Today, we review the best popsicle molds that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Number 1. Zoku Fish Pot Molds. Because of silicone, it's very durable when it comes to varying temperatures. The base of the mold is made up of polypropylene, which makes it easy for your ice pops to not get stuck when done. Hence you can just pull it right off whenever you want to. Because of this construction, you can not only make popsicles but also candy pops and more. Number 2. Tovolo Groovy Pop Molds. The sizes of each popsicle are fairly big, or in other sense bigger than our first product. The construction of this product is plastic that is BPA free. Because of this, your every popsicle are free from danger and are healthy. Each mold has drip guard that helps the liquid from spilling over and is large enough for you to perfectly have your popsicle without getting messy. This product is dishwasher safe, hence no longer you to manually clean them, which saves time and creates less stress. Number 3. Ozera Reusable Popsicle Molds Ice Pop Molds Maker. At the get-go, there are different colors of the product. In fact, there are 6 variations. You can make up to 6 popsicles at one go, which is fairly standard. The base of measurement of each popsicle is 6x 5.5x 8, which falls in the standard size. With this product, you will also be getting a funnel and brush that help you when making popsicles and cleaning it. Number 4. Norpro Frozen Ice Pop Maker. The body structure is very unique to this product. There is a top seal that covers all the popsicles instead of being individual. And each mold measures 4 by 9 by 5.5 inches. The construction is also interesting when it comes to this product. The frame of this product is made from aluminum with plastic mold that is BPA free. This ensures the sturdiness of the product as a whole, and the BPA-free plastic gives you the assurance of not affecting your popsicles with any harmful chemicals. This product is made from plastic which is BPA-free. This is important especially for kids, because this means that this product is free from harmful chemicals which can harm your children and you. There is a drip guard with each mold, hence it won't be as messy as it should, and the popsicles will be in a perfect shape because of it when being frozen.